Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I'm going to show how to use the automatic repair options and advanced options on your Windows to repair this issue. Okay. In order to get this screen, you need to shut down your system 2 to 3 times forcefully as soon as the window loads. You need to shut it down. Okay. Or you can hold shift key and then click on the restart option and get this screen automatic repair. After that, you need to click on the advanced option, whatever option you are getting on your Windows. Click on this option. Now you will see three options. You need to click on here, troubleshoot option. Then click on advanced options. Now you can see the 6 options. You can choose one by one. System restore. If you have created system restore point on your Windows, this option is going to help you. Okay. Like this, click on this option. You can see I am getting the red error. It means I have not made any system restore on my Windows. I need to cancel it. You need to click on next and then choose the date wise. Okay. I will show you the other option as well. System image recovery. If you have made any recovery on your USB or the hard drive, you can choose that one. Insert the external hard drive or the pen drive, you can choose this option, restore image recovery. Okay. Now the third option is startup repair. You can choose also this option. This will automatically repair your Windows and try to repair your Windows. Click on the startup repair option here. Now you can see diagnosing your PC. It might take a long. You need to wait for the process. You can see in my case startup could not repair your PC. You need to click on advanced option again. Troubleshoot, advanced. Now this is the command prompt. You can also try. Okay. You can try some commands here. sfc /scan now. Hit enter. Okay. This process will go to 100%. SFC stands for System File Checker, which will scan all the corruption inside your Windows and repair those. Okay. Now one more command you can type here to fix this error. chk dsk /f/r the drive letter C or D. You can choose accordingly. Okay. You can hit this command. This process will go in 5 stages. So you can try to repair your Windows as well with these commands. Okay. And you can then click on continue with Windows 10. Now one more option you can try here, startup setting. You can directly boot your system into safe mode with this option. Click on this option. Now you can click on the restart option here, enable safe mode. Okay. Now you can choose the F4 to enable safe mode. Okay. Press F4 on your keyboard. If you have upgraded your window, you can also go with the previous version. Okay. And couple of options you can try here, reset this PC. Okay. Keep my files, remove everything. You can choose as per your wish, keep my files. Okay. If you are getting this error, there was a problem resetting on your Windows, no changes were made. I will link a video in description box. You can directly watch that video. Okay, so these are couple of things. You can boot your system into safe mode and try to repair your Windows. So this is how you can use all the options, which is called advanced options, and your issue should be fixed. So hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.